sound? Long sound means in a single word, two vowels comes. In a single word, two vowels comes. So this is called as a long sound of the word. Understand? So here, look at this. What is this? La, A. How many vowels comes in this word? Two vowels. Which one? A is one vowel. E is another vowel. Okay. So when the two vowels come in the same word, at that situation we sound first vowel. We sound first vowel. In this word, first vowel is A. So we call that A. Its original sound we cannot be sound as a. We cannot be sound a. We sound A. Understand? Sound A. Why we sounding A? Because it is a long sound of A. In this word there is a two vowels are come. Understand? Understand? When we sound long in the word, when we sound comes in the same word. In this word lake, there is a two vowels come. That's why we are pronouncing it is a long sound of E. When the single vowel comes in the word, we sound it will be as a short sound of O. Okay? It is clear? It is clear? You should be remembered always. When we sound short, when we sound long, it is a single vowel. It will be called as a short sound of that vowel. When in the same word two vowels come, we call that we sounds like a long. Okay, this is called as a long vowel sound. Clear? Clear? Okay. Now I write some U related long sound words. Okay? Okay, read this. What is that? What is this? R. No. Here U comes before E vowel. So we call that U. Now I tell you. U, if there is a two vowels comes together, we sound U is U, not O. In short vowel sound, it will be O, and the long vowel sound, U is the sound U. Okay, understand? Okay, follow me. R, A, S, K, U. Yes. E is silent. Don't read E. Next. A, R, G, U. Argue. Argue. Here is a E is silent. When two vowels comes together, we cannot be sound the last vowel. We sound only the first vowel which one is comes. Okay. Next word is K. U. U. Q. Here E is also silent. E is also silent. So we pronounce Q. How we pronounce that? How we pronounce that? Q. So children, in these words, U and E comes together. U and E comes together. We sound only original sound of U. We cannot be sound E. Now I write some U dash E words. U dash E words. So read these words. What is this? Cube. Cube. So in this word also U and E two vowels comes. That's why we sounding only the first vowel U. We cannot be sound at the end of the vowel E. Okay. Next one. What is this? N. Tune. W is not a vowel, but sometimes W sounds as like a vowel. EW is also a sometimes work as a vowel. So EW related words. Now I write that word. You try to read the words. Okay. Now we remembered one thing. EW when comes, it sounds U. Okay. No. U. Don't be sound E separately, W separately. E says A, W says wa, eva. No, not like that. You says when anywhere EW comes, you sound U. Okay? Na, U. For you. You. The. Okay, children.